Today's tutorial, we will explore how to use patch editor to switch the background. So currently I'm using an effect where I have two backgrounds. One, if I raise my eyebrows, okay, one background will appear. If I not, okay, another effect will happen. Okay, so it's a festive season, so you should design a suitable background for your celebration. So let me start. I will use the background template. In the current background, there is only one background file. If you can look at the scene, okay, we have background under canvas 0. So I will copy this and then paste. So we have two backgrounds. One is the original one background, and then we have background 0. Now to change the material of the background, it is under the setting of the background. We'll look at the materials. In the asset, there is background matte and background matte 0. So all you have to do is replace it with a suitable visual. Okay, click replace me and then new texture. Okay, so for the second background, you change the material for the other one. Same step, under texture, you replace it. Okay, choose another new texture and choose a file. Next, you should resize the background. Maybe the background will be stretched. You will play around with the width, choose background, and then check the width. If you choose 100%, and then set it to relative, it will be, or you can choose fill width. Okay, so that will be 100% of the screen width. Currently, its position is not at 0, so you should change the position to 0. So down the width is filling up the screen. The height, if you don't want it to be stretched, then maybe we can change this value. Okay. Okay, now your backgrounds are overlapping. To edit it, maybe you have to set the visibility to invisible, then the other one visible. So you can edit the size for the background one by one. So for example, background 0, I make it visible, so I can edit the size and position. And then I will choose background and make it visible to edit the other one. This one, make it invisible. So at any time, you have to play around with the visibility to edit the position and the size. So play around with the width, height, and position. Okay, next, we will control the visibility of the background by introducing face tracking. So you add an object, face tracker, and then insert. The face tracker will appear in your scene, but we want the canvas to be under face tracker. So you drag and drop canvas. So canvas now is an object under face tracker. If you collapse face tracker, you should not see the canvas. Expand. So canvas is actually an object under face tracker. Okay, next, you have to drag and drop the face tracker onto your patch editor. And then we will create an action which is an interaction. So you click patch and then interaction, choose a suitable interaction. I choose eyebrows raise and then add patch. So you got a new patch here. Okay, eyebrows raise. We will link the face track with eyebrow raise. Okay, then we will control the visibility of the background. So you choose background from the scene, which is here. Click background. We have two backgrounds. One will be activated by your eyebrows, another one may be another action. So we choose a different action or interaction with each background. Okay, for background, I choose to activate the patch. Click here. So a new patch will be added. All you have to do is connect the face to eyebrows, eyebrows connect to visible. So now if you raise your eyebrows, okay, it will perform the action. Okay, next we will add another interaction, add a patch, another interaction to control the other background, maybe head nod, and then add patch. So head nod will control the other background. We have two backgrounds. One is background, the other one is background 0. So for background 0, I choose background 0 and then I will activate the patch for visibility, background 0. Okay, make sure it's background 0. So you'll get another patch here. They are different, background and background 0. So background 0 will be activated when you nod your head. So from the face track, you link to head nod. From head nod, you link to background. Okay, so there you go. The final script will look like this. Eyebrows raised, head nod. Okay.